Alright, I took one trade today, and it was off of this pre-market low. It was acted as a bit of a support over here, and a little bit over here, so we got two bounces. 8:30 we had some data come out. We shot up to reset the pre-market high, came down, prior day close pre-market low right about the same level. I was looking for this to hit obviously after 9:30 when the market opened up. I watched the 5-minute chart when I'm doing this, and I was looking for a bit of a dip below and a close above, so I got it right here. I wasn't too happy with the volume, so I was a little bit hesitant to enter this. You can see this green arrows where I actually got in. I got in at 10:03, which is right after this inside bar closed. So I was very late on my entry. That's a thing that I've been struggling with lately, and I'm doing my best to try to get a little bit more confident in my setups. That has been just been a struggle with me for the last year. So this is shows down right here. Came down. I ended up setting my stop at the bottom here. If it set a new low, I was out. This should have been the indicator here. This 1-minute candle coming up and closing above was still set below the 8 EMA, which is not ideal for a trend entry, so I was looking to scalp this. With this you can see I actually got in this little bit of a dip below here. I got in 499.80. And then I was looking for some resistance here at VWAP, which it got, but never broke and closed below this 8 EMA on the 1 minute. And I was actually watching the 1 minute on this for this 450.5 was actually the resistance I was looking for. The top of this zone was for my trim, so that was where I took my trim and ended up closing the position out. I'm playing very light. I'm playing one contract only for a while longer until I get some more confidence in my entries and I'm not squeezing so much out on my stop losses. That's been really crushing me this year. Just not pulling the trigger early enough on the entry, looking for confirmation, and now I'm realizing more and more that my levels actually, my pre-market levels do set up, and when they set up, they work well. These contracts, when I hold them, end up going 100% more often than they don't. It's just a matter of overcoming some of that mental block that I've been struggling with for the last year. So that's my one trade for today. Let's see what we're looking at for tomorrow. It is Wednesday. On the daily here, I'm going to change over to my trend. So as of right now, you can see that this broke up above this sort of widening descending pattern we were getting on the daily chart. From this pivot high to this pivot low, it gapped up on data over the 61.8% Fibonacci level, and it came up today with a little bit lower volume than yesterday. I'm looking for a retest of this level. We're going to have to fill this gap here. This is a pretty substantial gap. This gapped up about 6 points in the morning on that data drop for, I believe it was CPI. But I'm looking for, in order to break this downtrend on the daily chart, I'm looking to see it retest this trend line in the 61.8% before returning back up to hitting hopefully another high here at about the 460 area. And that'll be my next major line of resistance. And go over to, no, forgive me, I'm still learning how to use this device. You can see right here, I have two more spots of resistance. This one here from I think this is September 13th. I have it set at a high of 151.08, which is our pre-market from today. That was about where our reject was. So we got one tap pre-market. I'm looking to see it retest this level again, possibly tomorrow, and that is going to be my level I'm looking at for price action. After that, this level here from the 1st of September at 453.67. That'll be my next one. I'm kind of anticipating seeing a little bit of chop in through there, some indecision. So I'm going to be watching price action and trend for an entry on that. I'm not looking to trade first thing in the morning. I try not to do that anyway. And this will be a first of these little accountability videos for myself. I don't have a trading buddy or an accountability partner or anybody that I can really bounce these ideas off of. I've been trying to learn this skill and this entirely on my own for the last several years, and I've had a varying degree of success. I've had very good months, I've had very bad months, I've had very good trades, I've had very bad trades. I've blown this account more times than I care to admit, but slow and steady wins the race. I'm getting more comfortable with my risk management. I'm getting more comfortable with my mental. I just need to continue making good decisions frequently. That's been my real downfall. I'll do really, really well. I'll follow my plan 2-3 days in a row. On the fourth day, I go on tilt, completely destroy it, and give back my whole week's worth of gains. So this will follow my journey. This is going to be my own internet accountability for myself. Have a great day.